Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my, what month is this? September Medusa's makeup unbagging. And before we get into that, I do have some products that were sent to me that I have been using lately that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So the company called Hey Bud sent me this lovely PR package of items to chat with you guys about if I ended up liking them, and I actually do really like some of these, so I wanted to tell you guys a little bit more about them. So the first product here is the Hey Bud Hit Refresh Hemp Gel Cleanser. I really like this cleanser, especially coming from one previously where I just felt like meh about it. This one's really good. I would actually consider repurchasing this one, especially since it's really not that expensive. All of these products are fairly affordable, and I am quite fond of this. I still have 1,000,001 face washes to use, so it's going to take me a while to get there, but I might end up repurchasing this one instead of a Pacifica one when the time comes to finally make a repurchase. The next product I really enjoyed is their Hey Bud Get Hydrated Hemp Gel Moisturizer. And so this is just like a very standard lotion, but for me, I found this is like the perfect consistency to easily take from day to night. It's really good for day. It sits well under makeup, doesn't cause any paling, but is still hydrating. But if I add just a little bit of my oils to this, it works perfectly for night and still feels really hydrating. So this is a good one. And I also really enjoy the glass packaging on this one because it just feels nice with my fingernails, which is completely unrelated to anything important, just something I like. I do have to say I love this shade of green that they chose for this too. In high school, my bedroom, well, high school into college, late high school into college, my bedroom was actually this shade of green, and I really loved it. This like Granny Smith apple, beautiful green. Anyway, that has nothing to do with the products. That's just something I enjoy. And then the last two products I want to show you guys are a combo. So this mask applicating brush, love. So soft, so thick, but rinses out really nicely. You do not have to fight this. It rinses out so quickly. So I really like this. I'm going to be applying all my masks with this brush now because I love it. And I have to say, a brush is so much easier to apply a mask with than one of those little rubber spatula mask applicators. Those are just so hard to use, especially around the nose and like crevices. I much prefer this. Then the mask itself, the Hey Bud Clear as Clay mask. This is super easy to apply. It dries down, I wouldn't say it rushes to dry, but it dries down a lot faster than some other masks. So I really like this because sometimes I don't want to devote 20 to 30 minutes. 10 to 15 is all I got, and I really appreciated that about this mask. So really enjoyed this as well. So if you are interested in checking out any of the Hey Bud products, you can go to heybudskincare.com, and I'll have that link down below so you can just click it if you are really interested. And I enjoyed these, so I definitely recommend you check out these 3 products. If I can get a coupon code for you guys, I will definitely put that in the description bar as well. Now let's get into the Medusa's makeup subscription. So here is what we get in this month's box. Here is the card, and it looks like it's just stickers and a little pen, kind of like a back to school vibe. And from this card, it says we get 6 products at a $72.95 value this month. So let's crack on in and see what we got. So the first product I've got here is the Gentle Foaming Face Wash for all skin types, brightens and hydrates with lavender. I feel like I've gotten a face wash very similar to this in one of these boxes before. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think we've gotten a foaming face wash. The weird thing is on the card it says Lovebird here, but here that seems to have been left off and not printed on here, so just a strange little thing. If I remember correctly, this was borderline too gentle and is really only good for use in the morning after you've been sleeping and there's not a whole lot to clear off your face. But I will always use face wash, so I'll definitely give it a try. This is a $14 value. Next item we have here is the Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash. I think I've got a few of these actually, but I don't mind because unlike when they repeat color products, a mascara you will always keep using, so it's not a big deal in my opinion. I do wish they would send something new, but this is at least something that you will get more use out of. So here is what it looks like outside of the box, just this gorgeous pink tube and the beautiful metallic gold writing. This is a $16 value. The next item we have is from Jelly Pong Pong, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, there's these beautiful vintage dresses and models on here. I really like that motif, it's very pretty. And this is the Lip Tensity Hydrating Lip Gloss. And I don't see a color name. Maybe it is on the container itself. The color is Necessity. So it's like this purpley color. The one on the card is a bright pink. So yes, it says various on the card. So they will be sending out various colors of this. So this is the $19.95 value. The one on the card is like really Barbie pink, really pretty. But this doesn't look terrible. Let's give it a swatch. So here is what that color looks like. That's actually really pretty, and I like how it has a decent amount of opacity but isn't too opaque. It does feel like much like a traditional gloss, which is nice. Next item I've pulled out is a claw clip. I think this is our bonus item. It says bonus hair clip $5. I don't know if I'd put this at $5. You can get like a whole pack of these for $5 realistically, but this is an item I always use. I have a few of these already, and I'll certainly just add this to the stash. At least I'll use this, unlike when they used to send like junk in here that was freebies. So this I'll actually get use out of. Next item is a mask, Botany and Fruits Skincare from Sadour, the Strawberry Skin Moisturizing Mask. So just a fun little mask. I do like getting little masks in here. They're always fun to do. It says the mask is a $6 value. Here is the last item in our subscription this month. This is the matte eyeshadow in the color Jamaica. And this is from their tropical line, and this is a $12 value. Let's get out of here and check out the color. So here is the color. This is not what the color looks like on the card, especially when this has been specifically stated we're getting the color Jamaica. It does not look anything like that card. So I'm gonna go on our website real quick and see what it looks like online. So online, Jamaica does look like the color on the card, more of this camel tone. This is more of a gray taupey tone, so I'm not sure what's going on there, because this is baffling. This is not what it looks like on the internet, but we'll go ahead and swatch it anyway. Yeah, swatched, it still is like that lavender undertoned taupey color. I think it could be a really nice color on the eyes, and I do appreciate that it sort of goes with the gloss, and that could be a cohesive look, but this is not what it looks like on the card or online. So even with this color confusion with the shade Jamaica, I still think I really like this box. It is pretty good. I like this, I like the gloss, and I mean, it doesn't happen quite as often anymore where a company will send just like any various color. I sort of enjoy the mystery of that. There's something fun to that. So I do like that gloss. I will use a mascara. I will use face wash. These masks are always fun to get, and while this is just the bonus item, I will use a clip. Even though it's not the most exciting thing, it is better than other freebie bonus item crap they've sent in the past. So this I'm pleased with. I'm pretty happy with this box. I'm gonna give it an A, solid A. I think it would have needed something super exciting to push it over the edge to get an A+. And this probably dings it just a little bit, just the color discrepancy there. But otherwise, very happy with this box. So I'd love to know what you thought of this month's subscription. Definitely let me know down below in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!